my phonics superheroes, and welcome to day 29 of my Phonics Boost. I hope you have seen that boost in your skills and your confidence too. But of course, we've still got more to learn. So, phonics brains turned on, superhero listening ears turned on, and let's get started. For our focus sounds, we've been doing these for a couple of days now, so I'm going to sound them out once. Make sure you're listening, then it's your turn. Are we ready? Z, s, o, k. Your turn. Do you think you can do them quicker? I know you can. Oh, amazing. Do you think you can go even quicker? Let's try. Amazing. That was super speedy. But of course, we're not going to forget these sounds. I know you know them. Want to hear you. Do you think you can do those ones quicker? I know you can. Excellent. Right, we are going to put all of our sounds together now. Let me see if you can do them. Are you ready? Amazing. Well done. And of course, we're not going to forget these sounds. Want to hear you. Excellent. We're not going to forget these ones. Excellent. What about these ones? Can you remember all of these? Excellent. And what about these ones as well? Excellent. So many sounds. Well done you. The sound that we're going to be focusing on today is the f sound. Now this sound is another digraph because two letters make one sound. And the f sound is a long sound. F, f, f. Let's practice saying it. Excellent. Now we've practiced saying the sound, let's find some objects that use the f sound. In my magic box, I've got some objects that use the f sound and some that don't. And I need you to help me sort them out. Are we ready? Not again. It's empty. I think we need our phonics magic. Can you remember our spell? That's right, we say hocus pocus, phonics focus. Let's say it together. Hocus pocus, phonics focus. Let's see, we ready? Phew. Right, the objects I've got in here, the sound is in the middle of the word, so you really need to be using your phonics brains. Are we ready? Puffin, yes. Hairbrush, no. Muffin, yes. Giraffe, yes. Bell, no. So, puffin, giraffe and muffin all have the f sound in the middle. Right, I've put them back in. I'm going to be bringing them up much quicker and I need you to tell me yes if it uses the f sound, no if it doesn't. Are you ready? Excellent, well done. Now we're going to practice our oral blending. So my phonics superheroes, for our oral blending, we need to make sure that our superhero listening ears are turned on. I'm going to sound out each word and I want to hear you blend it. Now, one of our words today has got 4 sounds, so I need you listening really carefully. Are we ready? Off, off, p, a, f, puff, k, o, I, f, cliff. Excellent oral blending. Now we're going to have a go at reading some words. Right, my reading superstars, for our new words, I'm going to sound them out first, then I want to hear you joining in. Are we ready? Off, off. Your turn. Off. F, puff. Your turn. Puff. K, o, I, f, cliff. Your turn. Cliff. Excellent. Now we've done them together once. Just you. Off, puff, cliff. Excellent. Now, are you ready for a challenge? Our challenge word today is puffin, which, as I've said before, is one of my favourite birds. My turn first. P, a, f, I, n. Puffin. Your turn. Puffin. Excellent. Your turn again. Puffin. Excellent. Now it's time for our rewind and we're going to go over some of the words that we've been learning over the last couple of days. Now, because we've done these ones, just you. Bell. Hill. Excellent. Now for this word, we've done it a couple of times now. Let me see if you can just read it. Mess. Want to hear you sounding out and blending? Mess. Excellent. Moving on to our tricky words, and our new tricky word today is one, as in the number 1. 1, 1, 1. Excellent. Let's see if we can remember some of our tricky words we've been learning over the last couple of days. Who, some, want. Excellent. Don't worry if you weren't sure. Let's do them together. Who, some, want. Excellent. Let's put in our new one. Oh, 1. Are we ready? Who, some, want, 1. Excellent. There are a lot of words there, so well done you. Right, my phonics superheroes, we're nearly at the end of day 29. Amazing. But before we finish, we're going to go through our focus sounds a few more times and then we're going to play our little game. Now, because we've been doing these sounds for a couple of days, I'm not going to sound them out, just you. Are you ready? Excellent. Do you think you can do them quicker? Excellent. Do you think you can do them even faster? Amazing. Well done. Right, now we're going to play our little game and we're going to take away some of our sounds and you're going to tell me which one is missing. Are you ready? Which one was missing? Excellent. Which one am I going to take away now? Are you ready? Which one's missing? Excellent. And last one, which one am I going to take? Are you ready? Which one was missing? Excellent. And you're finished. Day 29. Amazing. I'm so proud of all the hard work you've put in so far, and you should be feeling very proud of yourself. Now, before we go, make sure you give yourself a great big pat on the back. 1, 2, 3. Well done, me. And I can't wait to see you for day 30. Bye.